Quitting sugar can be a powerful choice for improving your health, but it's important to go in with open eyes. Like any significant change, transitioning to a sugar-free lifestyle can come with some initial adjustments. This week-by-week guide lays out what you might experience during the first 8 weeks and builds on my previous video, your Sugar Detox Guide. Both videos are designed to help you navigate the process with the best possible information and tools. Remember, everyone's body reacts differently. While there may be some temporary downsides like tiredness or headaches, understanding these potential experiences can help you anticipate and effectively manage them. This way, you can focus on the benefits that lie ahead, like improved energy levels, better sleep, and less chance for developing chronic diseases like diabetes. Here is a general guideline to what you might expect for the first 8 weeks without sugar or significantly reducing sugar from your diet. Because your blood sugar and neurotransmitter levels are changing, you might have withdrawal symptoms in week 1, like headaches, tiredness, irritability, and cravings. You might also have some brain fog at first, but this will improve and you can have a better focus and lower anxiety later in the week. Energy level ups and downs are common, but by the week's end you will probably feel more lasting energy due to stable blood sugar. You might also experience disruptions with sleep at first, but often this improves as your body adjusts. Withdrawal symptoms are less intense in week 2, but cravings can still happen. You will have improvements in digestive health due to reduced inflammation and a better balance of intestinal bacteria. You may notice an increased sensitivity to natural sweetness in fruits and vegetables. Some people see clear, less inflamed skin due to reduced sugar-induced inflammation. During weeks 3 and 4, cravings are less frequent and intense, and you should have consistent and stable energy throughout your day. You may start to see weight loss because your calorie intake is lower and your mood will be more stable due to regulated blood sugar and reduced inflammation. You may experience reduced risk factors for chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes after week 5, and lowering inflammation can lead to a stronger immune system. You will experience a deeper and more restful sleep because of balanced blood sugar and reduced stress. You're feeling more energized and motivated to pursue healthy habits. Reaching week 8 marks a significant milestone on your sugar-free journey. By now, you've likely overcome initial challenges and experienced some of the positive changes in energy, mood, and overall well-being. Remember, this is just the beginning. Beyond week 8, the benefits continue to unfold. You may experience sustained weight management, improved blood sugar control, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Your body continues to adapt to its new fuel source, potentially leading to a deeper sleep, a stronger immune system, and a general sense of vitality. This journey is not about reaching a finish line, but rather embracing a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Remember to listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel and adjust your approach as needed. Celebrate your progress. Every step counts, so acknowledge your achievements, big or small. Explore new options. Experiment with sugar-free recipes and discover the deliciousness of naturally sweet foods. Seek support and connect with others on a similar journey for motivation and encouragement. If you would like to know more about sugar detox strategies, check out the link to my other video, your Sugar Detox Guide. Remember, transitioning to a sugar-free lifestyle is a personal journey. Embrace the process, stay curious, and enjoy the positive changes unfolding within you. As you continue down this path, you'll not only be nurturing your body, but also empowering yourself to create a healthier, happier future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.